I'm excited to share with you all the info on this wig from Unice Hair on Amazon. I am loving this color. Like, who is she? Like, who am I? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm bringing you a wig review from Unice Hair on Amazon. For the best relaxed hair tricks and tips, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it, so go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and click that bell. Go ahead and share my video to all your friends. Like, let's get it. It's 2021. It's time for growth. Thanks for your love and support. I know, the elephant in the room, I look completely different. So check out this color. I mean, it's very bold. This is different for me, right? But I'm looking cute. I'm looking good. It's real edgy. It's real in your face. I am here. Who is she? I don't know. I'm a brand new person. So before we get into this review, I want to thank Unice Hair for sending me this wig. I absolutely love it. It's very different for me. I would not have usually picked this color of wig, but I actually like it. I love it. I love how it looks. And I decided to, you know, step out the box and try something new in this new year. So I'm excited to share with you guys this closure wig from Unice Hair. So the wig came in this box. It was shipped to me. So I got it within 2 days. So shipping was very fast. You guys know Amazon Prime is the plug. 2-day shipping. You get it. You order it one day, 48 hours. It's at your house. And I mean, it's the best thing ever. So it also came with the wig cap as well. So I got a wig cap, the tie scarf that is perfect for when you're gluing down your wig so you can tie it down. So it says Unice on it, and I love this. Let's get into the specs of this wig, the detail of this wig. Let me read what it says online. So this is the Unice Hair 10A straight burgundy T-part lace closure human hair wig, middle part Brazilian Remy hair, silk base, fake scalp, red human hair wig pre-plucked with baby hairs. 99J is the color, and the length is 18 inches. So let me show you how long it is. So it comes down to here. So let's talk about the construction of the wig. So this wig is a silk base fake scalp closure wig, so you can only wear it as the middle part. It has 3 combs in total, so 1 comb on each side, so 1 comb on the right side, 1 comb on the left side, and 1 comb in the back. It also has adjustable straps in the back, so you can adjust the fit. So this wig is also pre-plucked, so the hairline is plucked for you. Also, it does have baby hairs if you want it, but now I'm just showing you how the lace looks on my hand, how it will look on your skin when you put it on. So how much is the wig? So the wig is $129.26. So the wig is $129.26, and I think that it's worth it. For the length is 18 inches, and the hair is very, very full, especially when I washed it and it went to its natural state. It was like a curly, wet and wavy type of state. So the density on this wig is a good amount of hair on this wig. Okay, so here's the wig after I co-washed it with conditioner. As you can see, it's very full and fluffy. That's the natural texture. So I'm going to cut the lace off, making sure not to cut too close to the hairline. We don't want to cut any of our precious hair or baby hairs. So now I'm going to put a wig cap on my head because I want to protect my natural hair. As you see, I have cornrows in. I am currently 11 weeks post relaxer, so I had to braid this hair up. So now I'm going to put on the wig. Density is very full. It's a lot. Look, scared. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go in with my flat iron because yes, we have to flat iron this hair. But before I do any flat ironing, I do like to apply Tresemme heat protectant on my hair. So I'm gonna go in with my flat iron. So let's get to work. Next, it's time for the hot comb. Of course, we gotta lay down the top of this wig, make it nice and flat. But before we go in with the hot comb, I'm gonna slick down my edges with some Eco Styler gel. Going in with the hair polish from ORS, I'm going to apply that to the top of my hair. Then I'm going to start hot combing the top of my hair. This is so scary. It took me back in the day when I didn't have a relaxer and my mom used to hot comb my hair with a real old school hot comb at the stove. If you guys were ever there, if you remember that, if that's a part of your childhood, please give me a thumbs up. So it was easy to apply. I just put it on. I put the combs into my braids, my cornrows, adjusted the strap at the back, and I just put the wig on my head. It can also go as glueless. You don't really have to glue it down. I did use the Got To Be spray, free spray, and I sprayed the front and just laid the wig down and tied it up with the satin scarf to secure my wig, but super easy to apply. So it's pre-plugged. It's the middle part, so you can only part it with the middle part. It doesn't have that much parting space, to be honest, because they did sew wefts onto the lace, onto the closure lace part. So really, you only could do a true middle part. It's pretty much parted for you. So if you wanted to go like to the side, you couldn't part it. But I mean, I don't mind it because I would probably only wear this as a middle part. And honestly, if you were to part it, you would just have a lopsided or off-center middle part. But let me show you guys. So you see, that's the closure. But you see there's a weft. And then see? And there's a weft. So to me it's not a big deal, but maybe to you it is. So that's one thing I would say that you should think about when you're buying or purchasing this wig, that it is strictly a middle part. So other than that, it's pre-plucked. There are baby hairs, but I'm not really a fan of baby hairs. To me, it just doesn't look natural on me because I'm not a baby hair type of person. On a normal day with my real hair, I don't have baby hair. I might have like a little sideburn or a little swoop right here, but to have baby hair all throughout the hairline, I don't usually do. So let's talk about smell, because I am a person that I don't like smells, and I hate when the wigs come and they smell like, I don't know, smell like corn chips or just stinky, just funky, and I don't like that. So the great thing is this wig did not come with any smells. It didn't smell like anything, just smelled like normal hair store hair. The wig had no smells. It just smelled like normal hair. But I did wash the hair with conditioner like I always do before I apply any of my wigs. I go ahead and wash them with a conditioner. Tresemme is my go-to conditioner. So I did that, let it air dry. So I did have a good amount of shedding. I don't know if it's because the hair is burgundy and it stands out and I can see it more, but this hair was shedding. So I had a good amount of shedding in this hair. But for tangles, not a lot of tangles. It didn't tangle at all. The hair is very soft, very silky. It has a natural shine to it. It's really nice quality hair, especially for the price. it's great. The one thing that gave me a run for my money, being that this hair is a burgundy and my brows are dark, and I thought it would be okay to have black brows and burgundy hair, but to me it was getting on my nerves. So I had to figure out how to get my brows to pretty much become burgundy to match the hair. I hope I don't look too crazy. In person it doesn't look bad, it looks good. I hope it looks good on camera. I am loving this hair. I didn't think I was gonna love it so much. I should have known I would love it because I like to try new things. I feel like if you saw me in person, I'm a different person every day. Either I have a wig on, my hair is different, I'm wearing my own hair. So I'm always switching it up and trying new things. But for some reason, I was super nervous about this hair color, even though I tried it before. But when I say this might be my new hair color, I am in love with this 99J, and everybody knows 99J, like, you know 99J. So like, girl, you better wear this hair. So I am in love, if you can't tell. It's giving you all the life you need, lots of character, lots of personality. So $129 for this wig is very affordable, and I think this is a great buy if you're trying to experiment with color. You don't want synthetic, you want something you could curl, you could flat iron, you can wash. This would be a great buy for your first time trying color. I'll have all the information on this wig in the description box down below. I also have the link as well as links to other popular wigs from Unice Hair. So go ahead and check out the description box down below. Okay, lovies, so those are my thoughts on this beautiful 99J burgundy 18-inch wig from Unice Hair. I'm loving it. It's a win. It's a keep. It's burgundy for the win, sis. Personally, I am loving it. I am here for it. But I want to know what you guys think. So comment down below and let me know if you are loving this burgundy 99J hair color on me. Let me know, yes or no. And also, would you wear this wig? Would you try this wig? So let us know in the comment section down below. Okay, so I already recorded the review on this wig, but I want to come and show you guys how it looks when I take out the flexi rods. If you aren't already, go ahead to IG, Instagram, and follow me. It's the same handle as my YouTube channel. Go check out Instagram for my pics of this hair. As you see, I'm all blinged out. Got my necklace on, got my earrings, got a ring. So yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this picture. So yeah, so if you want to see it, IG. Thanks, lovies. Check out these videos next for more wig reviews and relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with all your friends.